How to add email to your Roblox account. First, open Roblox on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you want to tap on these three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and over here scroll down and tap on Settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to tap on Account Info. Over here, you can find the information about your account, and here you will find an option of email. So as you can see, there is already one email address already added and verified. Now, if I want to add my email to this Roblox account, you have to change the previous one. So for that, you want to tap on this pencil icon, which is the edit icon. And over here, you need to enter your new email. So as it says, the account email will not be changed until the new email has been verified. So over here, you just want to add a new email. Once you have done that, tap on Change Email. Now here you need to enter your password. After entering your password, an email has been sent for verification, so head over to your email. So this is the email that you're going to receive. What you have to do next is tap on the I agree validate email button. And here you can see that the email has been verified, and that is how you add email to your Roblox account. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.